Okay, guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over 7 low cap AI crypto coins that are potentially promising. Before I start, I have a little disclaimer. Um, Investing in crypto is extremely risky and you can lose all your money. Only invest, only invest what you're willing to lose. And this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be seen as financial advice. So with that out of the way, let's get to these 7 coins. I'm going to quickly go over them and share the charts, and you guys can look more into it and decide for yourself. But the purpose of the video is to share what I think are promising AI crypto coins. And all these coins are AI crypto, only AI, because mostly the two main categories is AI and meme coins, but I'm sticking with AI because the fundamentals are still in the regular economy still okay. So the first coin I have is Agent Zero token. Now, this one, if you look at the chart, it came out around June of last year, so it's been like 7 months already. So the chart looks pretty nice. It's starting to go on an uptrend now. There are around 8,000 holders. Liquidity is around 480,000. So it's pretty decent. Market cap is only 4.5 million. So it's been out for 6 months. So that's this, and this coin is on base. This is on base. You can see that it's on Uniswap base. So, and you can see over here the categories AI, AI agent, AI framework. And they don't have any Twitter, but they only have YouTube. So I go into the YouTube and they do have around 10,000 subscribers and they have a bunch of videos over here. So that's kind of interesting because I normally don't see that. Um, their website, let's go over to the website. This is their website, Agent Zero. I'm not going to go too much in detail because some coins, they say a lot of stuff and then it doesn't work out. But long story short, and most of these coins are speculative coins too. So, but the website does look decently good. And basically, it's an AI token. Uh, and you can look more into it. I'll share the links over here in the YouTube description. So basically, this was the first coin. Okay, and it's only 4.7 million. The 24-hour trading volume is pretty good, actually, 282,000. It's pretty good. The reason I'm not going into detail into each individual because I don't think it's really um, that valuable. Because what I've seen is that a lot of coins, it appears to be very good, but in the end, they scam or rug pull, it doesn't work out. The best strategy, what I've noticed is you just put a little bit into all of them or something like that, but not go put too much in one. And for that reason, there's no point in going too detailed into any one of these because all of them are risky. So this is the first one I have, Agent Zero token. The second one is Nexus Erebus. This is a AI meme token. It's also in the meme category. Now this is on Solana. If you see over here, it's on Radium. And this one is only $248,000, very less. 24-hour volume is 5,000, a little bit less, but it's still okay. But as you see from the chart, in January it went up, and from there the chart has kind of bottomed out and is on an uptrend. Right now it's in a little dip, and you can see over here it's on a little dip. So it could be a good potential dip buy. Here's the Twitter. Um, as you can see, this has been out for 1 year already. This is a 1 year. Holders, they're like 2,000 holders. Liquidity is 66,000 and market cap is only 248,000. Twitter profile is active. It only got 1,500 followers. You can have a look. And this is the website. Now, the category of this is AI meme. Over here on the website, it says the digital oracle, and it goes over here. Uh, just like a AI meme coin, and not big of a website. You guys can have a look at this one too. Um, But I think over here, what I'm looking at is that it has bottomed out and it's on an uptrend now. The whole premises is that if it's going to continue going up, then it can go up, like hopefully quite a bit. So this is the second coin, Nexus Erebus. The third coin that I have is JuliaOS. This one, no, all these coins, most of these, the ones I pick, they're AI and they crash and then post crash will like put a little bit speculative, and that's the whole idea. So post crash, once it's bottomed out, as long as in a hot sector, you just put a little bit on all of them and then you can hope it can work out something like that. So this Julia OS is similar kind, AI coin, AI agent, AI framework, only 168,000 market cap. 24 trading volume is 6,000, kind of low. But let's look at the chart. If you look at the chart in the, I think in May of last year, it went up and then it had a massive crash, almost 98, 99%. And if you look at the chart, it looked like it kind of bottomed out over here. Now, there's no guarantee that it cannot go down, but the thing is, when the chart go like this after crash, that means that the selling volume supposedly has like gone away. So if the market turns around, there's a possibility that people can jump into it. Now this is a kind of speculative coin post crash that I'm saying. Now, if you put like, for instance, like $20 or $50, if it goes up even like this is like a 50x over here. And I mean, like if you go, I mean, we don't want to do the whole one. I mean, it's going to be speculative, and this crypto is mostly like it can go up a lot, but then in the end, it can give up all its gains too. It can go to zero. So it's more like trading also. But what I'm, like mostly what I'm able to do is I can pick coins that might have very good potential to go up, and then the rest is going to be up to you guys that you can trade it properly, because in the end, it's going to come to trading. But um, so this is one of them, right? So this is the one, and then we have a Twitter website. The website is still active now. If the Twitter is not active, suspended, then I'm not recommending those ones because they can't even market them. So this is the website. Not the best of the coins, but it's going to be a very speculative coin. So I'll just put very little bitty into it. So this is the third one. And the fourth one is Praxis. Now this one is AI agent, again AI. If you look over here in the chart, now this has only been out 4 months, so it's a relatively new coin. But if you look at the chart, it went down, then it went up, and it went down. The chart looked like it has a decent bottom, but there's no guarantee that it will hold. But if the market turns around, if this does turn around, then like you can get like a 10x over 10x pretty easily. But like I'm saying, there's no guarantee for any of these. I'm just sharing the charts. This one has 670 holders, a little bit less. Liquidity is 140,000. Market cap is 465,000, which is pretty less. And this is the Twitter website. Again, it's active. And this is the website. Praxis, Praxis Mesh Network Architecture. I'm not going to go into detail into exactly what it's doing because I don't find, I don't think it's going to be worth it, because if I say it's a good one, in the end, it, like might not work out. But they have documentation. You guys can have a look and make your own decision. The goal of my video is just to share coins that I think are promising and that could go up. So this was the fourth coin. Again, this is a very speculative coin, just a little bit. Okay, now the next one is autonomous virtual beings. This one has a very nice chart, bottom chart. This one is meme, AI meme, and it's on Solana. Um, and it's 1.6 million, 1.7 million. 24 trading volume is pretty good, 336,000. And if you look at the chart, It's been out for a year almost, and if you see, it had a massive spike initially, but then after that post crash, it just crashed out, and hopefully it had reached its bottom now. Now the thing is, if the market does go up, hopefully the selling pressure has gone away now. It might be good to jump onto. You can put a little bit over here, and this is an AI coin. Holders is 11,000 holders, pretty quite a bit. Liquidity is $500,000. Market cap is only 1.7. And if you see over here the upside potential, you see like this is like 10, 12x almost. Now the website is this, well, actually the Twitter, here's the Twitter. They have 7,000 followers. It's still active. And the website is also still active. Sometimes some of these coins, the Twitter website gets suspended and the actual website also goes away. So I'm sharing those. These are still active. This has been out for a year. Not the best of the websites, but still it's still active and the chart looks decent. So you guys can have a look into this. One, two, three, four, five. Now the sixth coin is now these the last two coins I wanted to show you guys, but keep in mind the last two coins have run up quite a bit. Now it's up to you guys to wait for a pullback before if you want to come in. But I just wanted to point that out to you guys that the last two coins that I want to show have made a little run up, but they're still pretty decently promising. The sixth one is Reppo. This is 15 million, a little bit more, but the concept is sounding a little bit good. That's why I want to share. The 24 trading volume is 11 million, which is pretty high, which is very good. This is on base. This is our AI and AI agent. If you look at the chart, it's only been out for 1 month, so it's a very new coin. Now, keep in mind, we don't know. Now, all these coins are in CoinGecko, so they're already listed, but just listed doesn't mean they're not going to scam out or rug pull. But so far, look like the chart is looking pretty good. It went up and then went down and then it's going up and it might have a pullback. It's got 11,000 holders. Liquidity is $1.2 million. Market cap is 14 million. Quite a bit of liquidity. Market cap is high, but I think it's decent for what they're saying they're doing. So this coin is about AI training data. So this is the website, post training data. This is training data for AI, and you guys can have a look more into this to talk about AI models and AI agents. This is sounding a little bit better than other coins, but there's no guarantee for anything. But this is the sixth coin I wanted to show. Now the seventh coin I wanted to share is Chronoeffector. As you can see, it bottomed out. This has been out for a year too, and the market cap is only 2 million. 24 trading volume is 34,000. It's kind of decent, not bad. This is on Solana, and it's an AI application. And they have a nice website actually, I'll show you. So over here, it's been out for a year. It has 800 holders, a little bit less. Liquidity is 163,000. Market cap is 2.2 million. So 1 year ago, it went up and then it crashed and then it bottomed out and now it's on an uptrend. Now we don't know how high it's gonna go. It looked like from the bottom it's already a little bit high, but the market cap is still 2 million. And if I show you the website, for instance, this is the website. If I reload it, this is the website. Kind of a little fancy graphic website, Chronoeffector. And if I say anywhere to skip, and you can see over here more about it. And this is the Twitter profile. It's still active 4,000. This one, the thing is, it's up to you guys to wait for a pullback or however guys want to do it. If you're interested, you can look more into it. The market cap is only 2 million, but all these 7 coins are low cap AI crypto coins. There's no guarantee that any of them is going to keep on going up or not. But these are the coins that I think are promising. And as cumulative, like for instance, if you put like $20 in each or like 50 in each, then the possibility one could, like go up and recover everything. But again, I'm saying like there's no guarantee for anything. You can lose all your money. So invest like carefully. And that would be it. I just wanted to make a quick video. So good luck investing. Talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.